Why does a simple door turn into a drama queen? A stuck latch can stop business fast. Here's a quick fix. Customer called, push bar latch jammed. Our locksmith arrived, found the spring detached inside the latch. Tiny part, big problem. We disassembled the latch, reinstalled the spring correctly and reassembled everything. Result, smooth operation and one less emergency on the books. Quick takeaway, a loose spring is a common culprit, and fixing it gets doors working again fast. If a latch feels jammed, don't force it. Call a pro to avoid damage or injury. Problem fixed. Proof? Door tested and cleared. Call Bamboo Locksmith, your local locksmith in Pleasant Hill. Our phone number 925-278-9701. Again, 925-278-9701.